some TLC, huh?
Yes, sir. Bike snagged, homeward bound. Let's go.
I had to stop at the motor store, looking for some new gloves. I was thinking white, don't have my size. Went to black. I don't know, black looks pretty slick, but came to this side of the rack. They got the USA's, baby. Company.
Early the next morning.
Ballast. How's it going?
It's going good.
Good.
Bring a boom, militia, a fucking liar that won't say that he yellow. I stood in the rain like I'm in the addition. Bitch, my city sick, I got my nutrition. The megalodon in the pond with the fishes. 6 in the shit, I'm pretty deficient. Still for a nigga out.
So this is going to be a little series on the channel called Make the RM Great Again, because right now it is trash. The bike needs a lot of work, so if you come check it out. The handlebars here, the grips are totally destroyed. They're literally coming off. These bars are, you probably won't be able to tell, but they're bent like really bad this way, just because it's been dropped so many times. Two-stroke J, dumbass. Throttle tube destroyed, grips terrible. We're gonna open up this box and then try and fix this portion of the bike today, so let's do that. Fresh Rocky Mountain ATV box. If you're not buying from Rocky Mountain, I don't know what you're doing. Not sponsored, but I should be, honestly. Woo. Big box, not a lot of stuff. Classic. Got the Emming lock-on grips. Gray on black. Nice. Woo. The Pro Taper contours. CR high bend. I'm trying out a different bar bend, so I'll let you guys know how I like it. Freshies, always good. And then we got the bar adapters. So these are actually 1 1/8 fat bars. So I got 7/8 on there right now, so we got to have the adapters. That should be good, hopefully. And then the last thing we got in here is just some jets. I'm probably not going to mess with these today, but that might be in a different video. I'm gonna go ahead and try and get these bars on. Yeah, let's do it.
Dude, the coffee bitch. Let's go.
I'm glad I got this internship. I'm really growing as a person. Yeah, sorry, boss. No, that's not you.
Yeah. Full squad.
Howdy.
That one was also there because he had.
Thank you, sir.
You're welcome.
Black.
It's bad, dude.
The old grip and tug.
Hell yeah.
Honestly, Kyle, you just gotta wet it and forget it, my guy. You're not gonna survive in Theta Tau if you don't just forget it, Kyle. Come on.
I was like thinking, I wanted to name this series "Make the RM Great Again," like for the last 2 days. Then I wake up this morning and freaking Travis Pastrana, who is
Travis
like the
Pastroni.
Yeah, he's like the famous Suzuki rider. On his Instagram, he's got a post, him sitting on a big RM250, and he says, "Make America love two-strokes again." And I was like, bro, steal my shit, dude. I'm the Suzuki two-stroke guy, not you,
You
Travis.
stole it. You might be bigger than I am and said it first,
I
but
did,
you stole
yeah.
my idea, bro.
You got all type of cool records and motocross stuff. Sick, dude.
Yeah, I was thinking that, like, when Louis Hamilton wins, I'm like, bro, I wanted to win Monaco. You fucking stole that from me. Dude, I still think it'd be sick if somebody came out these like this. It's all like that.
It's like Jar Jar Binks.
Yeah.
Last thing, and these bars are coming off. Little dumb mirror boy. Oh, I don't even. Gone. The best thing is when you take apart your bike after a while, and like 80% of the bolts are already loose. You're like, sick, dude.
Alright, sick.
You know what? These bars don't even look bent. They feel bent though. Maybe my front end is just bent. See how this is like one side's it's not symmetrical, you know?
Mm-hmm.
So like you think you would want.
Well, no, it's also got the channel, so it sits in here. So
Yeah, but it could sit in here this way, or it could sit in here this way. This would make them closer together. That doesn't make sense. Yeah. You'd want to be spread apart, right?
Yeah.
All right, first we got to take off the tops so we can reach these screws underneath. These are the Tusk big bar adapters. So like the stock ones are obviously, I think 7/8 inches, and these go to 1 1/8 because I got the fat bars, so hopefully they last a little bit longer and don't bend. I don't know. I was recommended to get fat bars, so I listened. I listened to the ones wiser than I. Oh yeah. What are you doing over there, huh?
What are you doing?
Watch your hands, dude. I don't know.
Oh, yeah. Actually, no, now that I think about it, it might just. Yeah, for sure. Nice. No. Yeah, that's good.
Damn, how much am I getting paid for?
Oh, Kenny G.
It's not Kenny G.
Damn it. It's not Kenny G.
No!
For sure this is Kenny G.
George Michael, you idiots.
We just looked at the
Well, I know the song.
Oh my god, it's George Michael's album. George Michael's greatest hits. Remastered. It's not Kenny G. He was like, oh shit, who is it?
No,
George Michael.
It's
KG.
I know it's
Don't
not
say
KG.
Scuffed.
So these things are fatter than this. I think you just jam it in there.
Take the fold
Wait,
off.
that doesn't even make sense. Oh,
Take the
true.
fold
Oh,
off.
what am I doing?
I thought you saw the Velcro. I was like, yeah.
You take this off, and then you. That makes more sense.
Get your top beer, top for sale.
Those boys go high, huh? Can I get some top?
Yeah, for sure.
Dude, this just looks clean, huh? Nothing on this bike stays clean.
Right, because he dumps it every day.
I actually don't dump it anymore. Fingers crossed.
What, you mean Two-Stroke J dumps it?
Yeah.
That guy's an ass.
That's what I said, like, Two-Stroke J expects me to edit his videos, fix his bike. Like, this guy...
What a bum.
I don't even get paid.
Does he have a job?
I don't know. He just rides bikes.
What a fucking bum.
He just rides bikes.
So you're basically like a YouTube startup intern.
Yeah, pretty much.
That sucks.
He's fricked.
That's freaked.
They look fresh, dude. I think we're done here, huh?
Alright, let's go.
Typical fashion. Put these on backwards. The pad doesn't fit over them because they're too wide. Put them on backwards, you gotta take them off. Let's go, dude! Flipped them. Flipped them and dipped them. Might put them a little bit more forward. Old handlebars equals torque wrench. Simple math. That's not coming off.
That is,
We're gonna have to impact that one off whenever it's gonna have to come off. Alright, this boy goes this way. Look, that just looks better already. Okay.
Just taking the bolt out by accident.
Lefty
pretty
loosey.
tighty left.
Honestly, that's one of the hardest things. I've messed it up so much. And it's always like every time I'm doing something important. Like if I'm loosening or tightening a drain bolt that you're not supposed to over tighten, I always do it the wrong way. And I'm like, why is it not loosening? And I try so hard. And then I'm like, wait a minute. I just torqued this to 300 foot-pounds.
All right, so
Upgrade from the V2, it doesn't have that lock-on grip system. So what that means is the old ones will just slide off while you're driving. Huge problem back in the day. You'd just be cruising, say, what's up, guy? And you throw your grips off and the guy, you land, banana peel, Mario Kart action, car next to you, hit it, spin out, you get all their coins. Just brutal. That's why you gotta go the OD E-MIG V2 lock-on grip system. I've never ridden a bicycle or a motorcycle, but I know that these are what you need. You just gotta just really carefully open it all up. Oh, fuck.
Scuffed.
And that's it.
Throttle cams. Suzuki RM125. OD part H70 SCC. Dude, what does that even mean? What's a throttle cam?
This is why you gotta be careful when opening things. And take note of what the labels are labeling.
I guess we'll just take off the one in there and see if it matches. Also, dude, look at these gloves that I got. I didn't even notice till I put them on, and then I was like, do you see that? Do you see what that says?
Bitch, I was broken, my niggas was chillin'. Some brick, I'm good at the moment. Moving with my faith, I would get it. Lion tamer in the game with the killers. Some kid gone, I'ma get him.
Oh my, yes. USA. Dope. Am I really gonna have to look up how to install this?
it's the right size, right?
Yeah, all the bars are the same on this end. See how it's like scuffing it?
Is that as loose as
Maybe
it
it's
goes?
supposed to. They really do not fit on here well at all. And I watched a video and someone sanded down this, what's this called?
Knurling.
This knurling. They sanded it down so it slid on easier. So I'm gonna do that and then see if it fits.
Mallet.
It's good.
So this is the old one. The grips come with the new ones. That's a match. That's a match, baby. Seated on that. Comes around. And then it's gonna go into this thing, which has to be up here. There we go. Okay. See how this is like kind of press fit in there? This is its own cam, and then this shape will slide into this.
I tried to wiggle them out, but I didn't want to break it.
So this has to come off
I'll
somehow.
let you.
Easy. It's gotta fit into here. There we go. Oh, beauty. Classic, just jam the lights in there, force them to be okay. This is the most scuffed thing ever. I hate doing this. Alright, whatever, dude. That's fine, right? Oh, yeah.
Here's the other one.
It's kind of pointing at the sky, but cool. Done.
Bitch, I was working when niggas was jealous. A brick, I'ma build it. A mountain moving with my faith, how I did it. A lion tamer in the cage with the killers. A King Kong, the McGilla gorillas. A fucking monster, bring a big militia. A fucking lion, that boy say that he yellow. I stood in the rain like I'm in the edition. Bitch, my city sick like I got my nutrition. The megalodon in the pond with the fishes. 6 in the dish, I'm pretty efficient. Still for a nigga, I won't say a credit I keep is a secret. I find no part on my name. You and none of the same niggas did it for fame. I remain, I ain't changed. How the fuck is a film when you know that you fake? I've been bleeding the fifth shit, I cannot relate. I ain't teaching the drink, I just mix to the late shit. I gave them the tool to go create a play. They came back and they been talking about that. Ain't niggas back in the store, motherfucker.
Breathing is exhausted. While the wind just fucking pounds me. Out here on location. I don't know if it's even pointing at me. We're gonna go out the window.
Yeah, you just had the wind screaming in your phone while you were talking to it.
That's true.
The strongest survive, the weak finna break. I push the limit, whatever it takes. I'm a monster, motherfucker, breaks. Yes, no. I can't nigga press talking. Little bitch, you can say la vie. Run through my veins like an IV. Shit, never too much, no OD. Niggas can't slow down, no coding. One speak for itself, you know me, you know me.
You alright?
Ran out of gas, bro.
Ran out of gas.
Classic.
Classic. Dude's got no gas and still beat us here. Wow.
Yeah, baby, just got back from the first rip. Headlight mount, it held up good. Yeah, cool. Grips, bars. Just that makes it look so much fresher. I mean, just ignore all this stuff, like all the scuffedness, but look at that, man. Oh, I like that. It's a beautiful day out here. Sunday. Not so fun day because I got a lot of homework to do, but right now I'm doing something I've been wanting to do for a long time, but I've just been putting it off. Dang, why is this open? I'm going back to the shed and I'm grabbing the moped and we're bringing it back to Cincinnati because we're gonna make the moped run. I'm gonna whip that thing around. It's gonna be sick. 70cc kit, all that. There she is. The good old ped. Still looks pretty good, huh? It's a little dusty. I'm gonna pull her out, take her back to Cincinnati, baby.
Got my nutrition, the megalodon in the pond with the fishes. 6 in the dish, I'm pretty efficient. Still for a nigga, I won't say a credit I keep is a secret. I find no part on my name. You and none of the same niggas did it for fame. I remain, I ain't changed. How the fuck is a film when you know that you fake? I've been bleeding the fifth shit, I cannot relate. I ain't teaching the drink, I just mix to the late shit. I gave them the tool to go create a play. They came back in the week talking about they ain't niggas back in the